Your energy matters, and where attention goes, energy flows. Hi, Lauren Archer here with an invitation for you. I've created a free 7-day energy reset on my website at laurenarcher.live. And it is an opportunity for you to get a taste of what it might be like to work together totally free. I'm using the principles and tools that I use with my private coaching clients to invite you into your own inner experiment where you can use these powerful mindfulness techniques to shift your energy from the inside out. So come check it out. It's totally free on my website, www.laurenarcher.live, not .com, .live, and I will see you there.